We all love flaky pot pies, but let's face it, we hate soggy bottoms. Let's fix that. I mean, look at all those layers and not a soggy bottom in sight.
Hi friends, it's Marty again here. Welcome to my tiny kitchen. Today I want to share with you something special. I made a double crusted after Thanksgiving turkey pot pie that I'd like to share with you, and hopefully you'll pick up some little tips and tricks that will help you with the next time you make a double crusted pot pie.
Here's a tip so that you're off to the good start getting a flaky tender crust. Use vodka. It evaporates faster than water. So add your salt, sugar, and butter until you see pea-sized bits throughout. And you can go ahead and add your ice-cold vodka, your water, and mix just until blended. Don't overmix it. Place your dough on the counter and shape it into a round or a rectangle. Cut off about a third for the top crust and then keep the rest for the bottom. Then wrap them individually and let them rest in your fridge for at least an hour or overnight.
I have my oven preheating at 425. I like it to be ripping hot when the pie goes in there because I want to give that bottom crust an opportunity to set as quickly as possible. I have here cubed leftover Thanksgiving turkey, and it's a combination of white meat and dark meat. That's about 3 cups that I have in here because I like a lot of meat in there. I also have 2 cups of my leftover dressing. I added a little bit more extra sage because I love a lot of sage in my pie. A little bit of leftover butternut squash that I had, like about a cup. But I'm going to be adding my cranberry relish that I made. It's like about a 1/4 cup. And I have a cup of gravy. This is a nice thick gravy. It's from the refrigerator, so it's still quite thick. Just so I can mix everything together. Dressing. My butternut squash, my cranberry sauce. You know what? If you don't like cranberry relish, or if you don't like cranberry sauce, don't do it. You don't have to do that. Oh, I got a little bit of cinnamon stick in here. My gravy. You don't want to add too much gravy at this point. It's cooking in a double crusted pie, so it's going to create its own juices soon. We don't want things to get soggy. Okay. I mean, look at that. Doesn't that look like pure autumn colors? It's Thanksgiving colors. And I'm going to get to rolling the dough. Like dusting the flour. Gently put it in here. You don't want to stretch it because that's when you risk the pie crust will shrink on you if you stretch it in here. Top of the crust. And I like to tuck them in. A little crimping. Just, go like this. Put your other finger in there. Doesn't she look beautiful? And just egg wash it everywhere. Salt on top. Black pepper. I love it. I think it looks pretty. It lets you know it's savory. You won't confuse this for pumpkin pie. Okay. There you have it. She's ready for the oven. Look at her. Isn't she beautiful? It's been resting for an hour, so let's cut into it and see how well this turned out. The bottom crust cooked up very, very nicely. She's still hot. She's beautiful. Gravy. And I'm going to give it a little bit of extra cranberry relish because that's Thanksgiving for me. We love Thanksgiving dinner. We really do. But I think our family's favorite part is waiting to make the turkey pot pie afterwards. It's just amazing. Look at it. Don't you want some?